Hello, it's us again, me and Luke, and we're doing the second challenge for killing the flat chick. And today we've nailed him to the dartboard.
Nailed him.
And we're going to throw darts at him. And once again, yeah, and it's the full version today, the full Monty of all of us. So it's Danosaurus TV and Goofy Gryffindor and Fleeticus.
Not Goofy Gryffindor, I've stopped that now.
Okay, Fleeticus.
He split up.
Right, who's going to go first?
Me!
Right.
I bet it failed.
He's going to get my darts.
Yeah, but can someone be the
Cut this.
cameraman? What?
Why don't you just cut it?
No.
Video edit it.
No.
We haven't
Right, go on then. Go on then.
I'll be the video man. I'll be the cameraman if you want. I'll get even closer.
Yeah.
You are filming still now?
Yeah.
So you're going to cut it then?
No. Daniel, you might want to
Fail.
zoom in.
Fail. Let's see if I can hit
Zoom
it.
in.
Let's see if I can get anywhere near it.
Right, just go. What we do now? Right. Right, it's Luke's turn.
What a dog.
You might want to stand back actually.
That was a
Oh,
fail.
God.
Okay, that was a fail.
Right. Who thinks I can get him? Right.
No hits for Luke.
I'm playing really good at it,
Who thinks I can get him?
Me!
I reckon you'll get it, but it'll bounce out.
Concentration.
Ooh. Hit the flat little bugger. Oh, yeah!
That one in there.
Yeah, actually did nail into him.
Can't
Yeah.
you put this on YouTube?
Well, can somebody else be the cameraman whilst I take my two?
Move!
We're doing the pancake!
Right, yeah.
We're doing the pancake!
Oh, for God's sake! They're sparing children.
And anyway, this is a children's program because children like killing stuff.
Yeah.
Go on, Daniel.
Who in his mouth later?
Double 20. Tom! I mean, Goofy Gryffindor.
You can
Leave
call
the
it
cat.
Tom.
Yes!
Go on, Luke. You go now.
Eat my darts.
Go on.
Still got it in. You just wouldn't like me.
Look at him.
Come on, Luke.
Listen, you break my flight and you're dead, Luke. That's if you
Well,
watch
she
it
stayed in.
forward.
What?
Well, she stayed in. That one didn't. Shit.
Right. Can someone else be the cameraman? Can you be the cameraman?
Again.
Right, who's
Yeah.
That means I've missed
I'm gonna throw.
two.
Ah!
Luke, can you be the cameraman?
Can you be the cameraman?
Thanks, Tom.
Someone be the cameraman.
Yeah, really.
Go.
I'll be the cameraman.
You'll have to go round here.
Spider-Man, can you do this? No, he
I'll
can't.
go with it. I'll go with him, I know where. No, I'm not! Oh,
I only have 2 darts and I hit him manually.
stab him.
Wow.
Right, I'm off this side.
Yeah, please
Go. Bye. I've had enough.
Right.
That hit him.
Have you got another dart?
Guys, I've got a new thing.
Oh yeah, because we're using. it.
Guys,
Wait
can
there.
somebody have the camera?
Right. No, wait there. Yes! In the beak!
In the beak.
In the
Cut it off.
Guys, well there, guys. Everyone get the darts out. I've got a new idea.
No, not that dart.
This hasn't been going very well. Let's actually just put him on here and just stab holes in him.
No. Right. Shall we go again while Luke gets his dart? Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh.
None hit there.
Might want to move back miles because Luke's going to go now. Daniel, you can't even see it. Go forward.
Look at that.
Go and smash him in the face. Oh, Shall I go?
I couldn't even hit the ball then. Can I have a go though? Cause
Yeah, wait there. I'll just have mine go and then
I was
we'll
getting
swap.
it. Actually, I'm trying to get that out.
No.
I need to bust my flies.
I won't. Oh, what? I can't even hit him today.
Did you get my dart?
Oh yeah, I'll hit him in the big, didn't I? Right. Look,
Does anybody else?
Can you go as
I was just going
cameraman?
on for ages.
Yeah, can you go as cameraman?
cameraman. Come on, Luke.
It's going to go on for ages.
No. These are our last throws. Luke, keep the camera nice and steady.
Way out.
Right. Now I really need to get him. Champ Viper.
Viper.
Yeah,
Viper.
Yes! Hey! That
You can
is
see-
close
It's gone through his eye.
with my
Let's have one shot.
Viper. Right. No. Go on then, Daniel. No, Luke. Go, Luke. Bad. Go.
Your name's Bad. That's awful.
Am I going
Sharp.
to have to stand back? Go on, Luke. Go on, Luke. Nice one. Right. Go on, Daniel. Now I can take the mick out of you if you like it. Cool, Daniel should be bad.
He's not hitting the board, Luke. You can't even hit the board. You're hitting
Right,
the ball.
right, can someone else be it?
Luke can. He's doing it for now.
I'll tell you what, I've had enough. Just stab holes in him. Because we hate him anyway.
Rip holes in him.
Right, everyone just go! Go! No, more than that. Like this.
Everyone just stick your darts.
That's
Don't
we
do
only
what I just
one
said.
Time.
Everyone
get
just
mine.
stick your darts in him. Stick a dart.
That's all straight through his foot. Look.
Good.
That's not his
So we want him to die.
good. Everyone just stick a dart in him.
In his beak.
I'm gonna shove it in his wing.
Go. Go on, Daniel.
Excuse me, Luke.
Stab it, go on. Oh, nice stab.
Guys, can I stab it?
Turn!
My turn to stab.
No, wait there. Should we stop now? Because it's
Yeah.
8 minutes 30. Be careful. No, Daniel, go away. Right. Now that was... Wait there. Listen.
The dart.
That... Go away. That was challenge number 2. The darts. And we've had a few nice shots there. So challenge number 3, if you want to see it, is freeze burning him. So, it is, Luke. So yeah, special thanks to Dinosaurus TV, and there was some help by Fleeticus, and me and Luke. No, if you want to go and see my channel, Rock and Metal 31, you're free to, and me and Luke are... What are we?
Variety Society 90.
And do our special thing for the end. Smash!